My friend here was not expecting being outplayed by a 300-rated player.
This bishop is playing too good. Я не знаю, как я вот пошел, потому что сейчас пойду чуваку. Если честно, это пиздец.
But he didn't know what was waiting for him next. Hey, I'm gonna talk you through this game a little bit for us to get to the sweet parts quicker. The game begins with some normal opening development, e4, e5, knights develop to their usual squares, and both sides miss that this pawn was hanging. Typical low elo stuff. This last bishop c4 move was not that bad actually, but you need to capture towards the center and not allow the queen trade. What was I expecting?
Okay.
A lot of trades early.
Yes, yes. But he will suck my dick.
Family friendly.
Okay, now white's development advantage is negated because there are no queens on the board. Fine, let's see what happens next. Knight, normal development. Ooh, very fancy, very fancy. Abusing the pin.
Fancy move for a beginner.
Sadly, this is not that good because black just plays f6 and this pressure is gone and this bishop is a bit vulnerable. And this move is really bad. So this is where everything starts to go wrong. This not only doesn't make much sense, but it also walks right into this tactic. Knight goes back to e7 and your two bishops are under attack now. Oof.
This piece of shit is playing too good.
So how's white gonna recover? Okay, my friend saves one of his bishops and the other one gets taken. Okay, fine. Like, I don't know how would... Okay.
I can play here. He can't take it. Suck my...
Ah! He just walks right back! Right back! Right back! That was terrible.
I thought it will be more easy to me. But this position is hard. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to resolve this problem. So I will try to attack him psychologically. Maybe he will
Resign out of despair.
He is stunned.
Okay, now bishop takes. He sacrifices his bishop to save his other bishop. No! To blunder his other piece! Great stuff, great sacrifices. Yes. This looks a little bit scary because there are some knight g6 tactics and my friend actually finds knight g6, discover check on the king.
I can go here and take the So. Что, блядь? Ты доебашь? Sure. Once again, guys. It's free or I'm долбоёб, блядь. Okay.
This is a strange move, but for the 300 it is actually genius, because after rook takes, there's king of 7 fork.
Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Окей. Долбоёб я, правильно? Получается.
And of course, no 700 Elo plays a Desperado tactic here. Bishop d6 is best here. He just walks back, and now he's 2 pieces down for 2 pawns. Nice, nice.
Я не знаю, как я вот пришел к тому, что я сейчас проебу этому чуваку. Если честно, это пиздец. Полный, блядь.
But the game is far from over. Okay, rooks go to d4. Knight goes back. King walks forward. Rook develops to the f file. f3. Completely logical move. Nice, nice. Bishop takes pawn. Okay. Okay, rook attacks bishop. Okay, now black starts doing some dumb tactics that don't actually work. I guess he wanted to trade 2 pieces for a rook, but there's this check, and the bishop is fallen.
Я уже просто слабо верю в победу, поэтому...
Такая не важная.
Мудофил, блядь. Так, ладно. А нахуя? Why he did this? Стоп, я еблан или да, блядь? Стоп. Is it true? Хуй пизда.
Hope you enjoyed the video. There's no other place on YouTube where you can find such amazing content, so consider subscribing. Let's have a great chess journey together.